Don't need to do body
Once again, I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique.
Good morning, fellow fun lovers. Like, you know the term, the phrase, no rest for the wicked? Make me I wonder if we're wicked. Because really and truly, where we are concerned, what is rest? What is really rest? Because we don't know it. If it's not one thing, it's another. But it's part of our lives, and we always try to make the most of it. So we're just pretty much saying, I'm pretty much saying this to say, in everything, there's always a silver lining. Try to stay positive. Hey, hey, hey.
Yeah.
So we are once again heading to Lucy.
You must be wondering, don't you live on Lucy now? Like, don't live on Lucy now? Like,
it's just stuff, you know?
We got things to deal with.
Stuff
Future.
and things. And more stuff and more things.
Yeah.
But we're just working with it. We're just doing what we have to do what we have to do.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I won't get it, but
Yeah. But yesterday we didn't vlog. We were gonna, but we didn't.
why did we do this?
Because we wanted the permission. But we got permission
do the vlog.
Yeah, we got permission to do vlogs and videos somewhere that's new to us and new to Bobby as well.
New to
and
people.
we cannot wait to showcase that particular place.
Yes. Excited. I mean, we've never done anything in that category before, so
Yeah.
it's all a learning process. We're excited. I'm a little tad nervous. Yeah? I ain't never done nothing like this. But guess what, guys? You gotta stick around, so that y'all can get to see what we're talking about. That might be in another vlog.
Yeah, more than likely.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
we might just give you guys a little preview.
Yeah.
Just a little. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
If you're here again, thank you so much. I feel like we're going up a subscriber every other day.
Every day.
And it is
I don't know what
so
you're
much
talking about.
appreciated.
Every day, guys.
So
Every
much
day. Thank
appreciated.
you guys so much.
Yeah. We can't be grateful enough.
And
Sorry,
remember-
can I look down with a drive?
Remember, guys, to continue sharing our videos. Remember to like. Remember to comment. All right. We appreciate you. And for those of you who are still watching and you've never or you have not been subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscription button. It's right there. Right there. Do it. I'm gonna give you the time to do it. You do it already? All right. Thank you.
See you later. See you later, alligator. You know, wild crocodile. I'll be back.
Holy cow. You know the man?
Eh?
You know him?
Yes.
You know you?
Yes. He died. I was about in the primary school.
Now hear a word in English. You saw it?
carry the stool here.
Follow. So then.
No. Midday update. Woo! We are hot, bothered, and tired.
Tired.
Swear. I don't know I got this.
We is tired.
So, if you did watch the previous video, you know that we are in country now, again. Oh, you would have seen that just now with the carrots and stuff, which we did have to pack from somewhere else as well.
Listen, the whole 9 yards.
Good times, good times. Now we're just all cool off and probably, we don't know what time it is. More than likely head back to Lucy, get some
Crab.
Get some crab.
Crabby patty.
And head back to Mobe because we have something that we want to do. Just gotta see how it works out.
Things to do, but we tired. We tired. Who said adulting was fun?
Who said it? Who said it? So take a view of our view and yeah, pant. We'll be right back. Phew. Hey grandpappy, hey grandmammy, hey auntie. You know, so there's something here how you know say really their country. Like when you see there's something here upon your shoes and your pants, you know say really and truly their country. Like me just can't do that. It's like it's a thing. It's like, you know, if you're not did this, you're not really their country. Like, jeez Louise. And it's so much. Like look at this. Look at this.
That's good.
I think it aged very well.
We are surely going to enjoy
That place. The crab. Sorry, I think you're gonna go.
No, I'm not
place
going
we
to
get that from. Yeah,
we already established.
I haven't heard to talk about it yet.
Guys, the place here.
Sorry, today.
Where am I eating though?
On a seaweed.
I don't know.
I'm packing some stuff. But that was just part of it. Cause we did a little.
The tip of the iceberg.
And I said, alright, I got beard now and cut. Here a truck pull up. More things. Yeah man. Cousin today, my cousin said, yeah man, you got a gym man. Can't show your strength. Oh boy. But again, like I don't know if it's that we've just learned to take joy out of every single thing in a day, even though we plan to do whatever and other things happen. We just learn to take joy out of everything, so it doesn't faze us that we didn't get to do.
What are we supposed to do?
We didn't get to do everything that we wanted to do. But tomorrow is Sunday, and this is the positive of having Yanique off on the weekends with me as well. I think the timing of everything just worked out perfectly. Just as me get 2 months of Saturday Sunday off, she got 5 weeks of Saturday Sunday off. So yeah, I just life. We're doing life. We're doing life. We're really doing life.
It is our vlog and
yeah.
this is just it.
For the moment, this is it. But we have a trip coming up.
Ooh, y'all better stay tuned. Listen,
coming up.
People who like to travel, locally, that is, you're going to enjoy this.
By the way, guess.
Especially if you like food.
Yeah.
Just
in
guess
the comments.
where.
In the comments, guess where
are we going?
Where we're going, as in not the actual spot or the wherever the parish. Which parish we're going? See Lime Tree there.
It's the best of it.
You know me. You know what new?
You know go meow.
Yeah. You understand? So, I tell you. I
Don't stop. Don't stop.
People.
Oh.
Just leaving Lucy Town. I gotta buy a crab now. Then leave.
A night.
Oh shoot. You know, me just remember. Remember
the crab? What?
Supermarket.
Yes. We gotta do it.
We have to, but cha-cha.
If I say she holla tell her when she start prepare.
Alright, 1,000?
Yeah. 1,000. Don't you think about it for I did not remember. I didn't remember that y'all were there. Yeah, about that. That was not me, okay? That was someone else. That was not me. So folks, that is not me on a typical day.
Right! That's not for real. That's not her on a typical day. That's me.
See, when you hang around folks of a certain caliber,
horrible,
you are eventually.
Yeah, I'm eventually going to rub off in her.
You're gonna start
giggity.
You're gonna start mirror them ways.
It does happen.
Mirroring.
Earlier in the video, I don't know if you guys noticed that we kind of did it always said the same thing at the same time, and it happens so often, to be honest. It really does. But yeah, we're on a journey to go back to Mobay. After this, when we reach Mobay supermarket.
It's crazy. It's crazy, guys, that we actually we weren't able to take you along for a little section. You only saw a toops of what
only
happened.
A little bit of what happened today.
There's so much that we did. We just didn't have the time nor the energy. We were so occupied we couldn't film.
Yeah. It was kind of in the one place too, so.
Yeah, literally in the one space.
Yeah, but we're good. We're heading home. Well, we're heading to the supermarket. I'm gonna do a little filming in the supermarket. It was done in a video that's gonna be posted before this. So, gonna make it a little thing. Sit on me and we ain't do it, so I mean, why not? Just like a snippet from the supermarket.
I'm sorry. Guys, we'll catch you guys later. What?
It's fine.
Hello.
Alright, okay.
That's who was running because she left her bag.
Okay. I'm not sure. What that mean? I don't remember where it was.
Okay, good job. Let's go.
Scott. It's a triple tier, so. Like, are we not concerned about, the type of tissue we use? Like, this is so soft and nice and thick. Unlike the literal paper I use for the, the cleansing of. Love this. Love. Yeah. Farmer Yan. Long time we didn't even give an update for our plant and what we did sitting there. The frustrations be on another level.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. Yum, 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 yum. Cucumber. Yeah. What you getting? Very good. What you getting? Not talk to my wifey? Oh, I didn't see it still on that feet.
Since you don't know what I'm getting, you.